What's up, my wealthy babies? We are back with another video, and with today's video I am doing unboxings of 2 wigs that I received from Curlax. Let's get into it, you guys. This is how it look on the inside. It comes with a guide, a user guide right here, also with a thank you letter, you know, telling you how to use the wig, how to take care of the wig, everything that you need to know about the wig. It comes in this right here, and that's good because sometimes with some companies you don't even get no information. Sometimes you might not be able to like get in contact with anybody, and when you have issues. And also I feel like this guide is good for girls who are new to wigs and, you know, want to know how to properly take care of their wigs so it can last longer. It comes with a little note on the inside. It says, enjoy your hair journey from now on, Team Curlax. This is the wig in here. It comes with something else in the inside. Okay, so it came with a little packaging on the inside. It's a little, you know, cute little packaging and stuff like that. Let's see. So, what is this? Hold on. What is this? Girl, I guess, I don't know. Is this a magnet? Listen, I think this is a magnet. It came in this little holder right here. It's pretty thick and it's peeling off in the back. Or is it a mirror? Hold on. Wait a second. This is a whole mirror. This is cute though. Like, give you a little mirror so you could just, hold on, let me make sure my Curlax wig is looking right. You know, you feel me? Like, let me check myself real quick, and then just go ahead and slide it right back up in there. Boom. You got an on-the-go mirror. That is cute. I'm not gonna lie, that's cute. It comes with wig cap. You get 2 in here. Just a regular old wig cap, nothing special. And then it also comes with a brush with a comb at the end. You know, for the girls that love to do their baby hairs and stuff. So now let's get into this wig. This wig that I got is 13 by 6 and it's 34 inches. 34 inches, and it's to my booty. That's how long this wig is. Let me check it out. And this is what it's looking like. These are the curls. Can you guys see that? Deep wave, and it is soft. It is definitely soft. Is it a 13 by 6? This is not 13 by 6. This is a 13 by 4. I think it has the elastic band on the inside. I'm gonna take it off real quick. But you see how small that lace is? A 13 by 6, you will have, this thing would be in the middle of the cap. This is a 13 by 4, but that's fine. It might have been a mistake, but it is pretty long though. This is long. Let me put it up to my head. It literally will go to my ass. This is long. And it's soft. It's real soft. Shedding isn't anything alarming. Like, when I just run my finger through the hair, I might get like 1 or 2 strands. But also, this has been in the box and it's curly hair. So it's expected that it's gonna be a little bit of shedding. But if it was a whole clump of shedding, it would have been an issue. It's cute. The curls are cute. It's fluffy. It's soft. Like, this is real cute. And it just keep going. That's how long it is. Like, this is how long the wig is. Like, this is cute. It doesn't smell bad at all. It's soft. And yeah. So yeah, this is 34 inches. It is a 13 by 4. And it's pretty thick. So I'd probably say this is 180 density. So this is cute. I can't wait to try it on. You know, do a little style with this or whatever. But it's cute. And the lace is not HD. This is not an HD lace. It's pretty, little bit thick. Just by looking at it, this is not giving, to me, this is not giving HD. To me, this is giving transparent. Yeah, this is the first wig, and this is how it's looking. It's real cute. So now we're getting into the second wig. Same packaging, same thing. Nothing special. Once again, if you guys want to order from here, here's the website, curlax.com. I hope you guys can see that. Let's get into this one. You know, same thing, nothing special. Came with another package, just wig cap and a mirror. Okay. Right out the pack, the hair is soft as hell. Like, it is so soft. Let me see any. I only got like one strand of hair. And this hair is so soft. It smells like a wig, but it doesn't smell like chemicals. But this hair is extremely soft. It feels so good. And it looked like it's given 28 inches, you know. This one doesn't come with an elastic, like a thick elastic band. It has the clips inside, as you see. And I think the hairline is good. Can y'all see that? The hairline look good. Like, it look like this do not need to be plucked. Okay? I'm not complaining. This look like it does not need to be plucked at all. Now, me, I might do a little bit of plucking. Like, a little bit more plucking so it can have, like, some structure to it. But, yeah. It look like it has been plucked just a little bit, or the hairline is just thinner. But it's not bad. I ain't mad at it, you know? Yes, I like this one. I really do like this one. I feel like it'd be cute with my skin tone. What y'all think? I can't wait to try this one on either because it is so soft. And this is perfect for the summertime because you know summer's coming and we're gonna have to be outside this year, okay? All right, y'all, so that's it with the unboxing of the 2 wigs that I received from Curlax, and I like both of them. Comment down below which one y'all want me to like install next, and definitely comment down below which wig that y'all like better. Do y'all like the honey blonde wig, or do y'all like the deep curly wig? If you guys are interested in purchasing these wigs, you could just go ahead and go to the website, which is gonna be linked down below in the description, and also you can check out their Instagram as well. Based off doing the unboxing, I think these wigs are good quality wigs, and I definitely want you guys to check it out yourself. Once again, I said check it out at www.curlax.com, which will be linked in the description below. And yeah, you guys, thank you for watching my video, and look forward for more videos next week. I'm trying to get my little cousin to install one of these wigs if she's available. If my little cousin is available, she's gonna install one of these wigs for me, and we're gonna get into that. But if not, just stay tuned for next week's video, and I'm gonna install one of these wigs. You know, I got 2 of them, so I'm gonna see what I can do with it. So thank you guys for watching. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below. And y'all already know the memo. If you're not subscribed, then what the fuck are you doing? You missing out on some good ass content, girl. So thank you, my babies, and bye.